Hello Divas, this is Latasha coming at you with a DIY unpacking. I have a product that I want to bring to you today. It is Moscow copper mule mugs, and everybody knows that I love all things copper, as you can tell from my kitchen countertop already. So I'm going to unpack this and show you this mug set that I got in the mail, and just want to show you all the things that I got for $34. I think this is a great buy. I've seen it on Amazon for a lot more, so from different companies, but Moscow, I am so happy you are bringing me this copper mug set this morning. All right, so first off, they give you just a little details. Now, everybody knows that I am not a drinker, so it's giving you some little details on some beverages that you can put together. I think that's cute, but all of mine will be virgin. Also in this package, wow, claim your $10 gift card for giving a review. I will be doing this $10 gift card on Amazon. Yes, it's for me. Now, let's get back to what's in the package. So you get 4 copper straws, I love this, and a brush. So everybody knows, just because you can't see through it, so you need to make sure it's clean. Oh, you got a stirrer. So I guess these are more for your hoity-toities, your alcoholic beverages, but for me, it's going to be for my non-alcoholic drinks, okay? And then you have the 4 mugs. Let's unwrap and see what they look like. Absolutely gorgeous. So you have the 4 mugs. This is all that comes in the set. I'm so excited. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You guessed it. Right here, they will live in my cabinet so everybody can see how beautiful they are. And on my nail channel, Domesticated Diva, I also do DIY nails and mocktails. So these cups will be displayed all the time because I'm not a drinker. So I just want to make my drinks pretty for me. See you next time on a product review. This is the Domesticated Diva, Latasha.